On developments in the investigation into Donald Trump over those classified documents found at Mar-a-Lago. Sources told ABC News that a federal judge has determined there is preliminary evidence that the former president may have broken the law. Our chief Washington correspondent, John Carl, is here with the story. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Michael. Amidst all the speculation about a possible Trump indictment coming from the Manhattan District Attorney, there's a major development, a separate federal investigation involving potentially much more serious charges involving his handling of classified documents.
Added security is in place in New York amid growing anticipation Donald Trump could be indicted as soon as today in a case brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg regarding hush money paid to porn star Stormy Daniels. But Trump faces multiple criminal investigations. Sources telling ABC News a federal judge has determined that there's enough compelling preliminary evidence that Trump broke the law in another case, the special counsel's investigation of Trump's handling of classified documents. Judge Beryl Howell's order is sealed, but sources described its contents to ABC News, saying she wrote special counsel Jack Smith provided enough evidence, quote, that the former president had committed criminal violations. In particular, prosecutors say he knowingly misled his attorneys so that they would file a sworn statement last June that he knew was false, claiming that a diligent search of his Mar-a-Lago estate found that he had turned over all the classified documents in his possession.
I had a small number of boxes in storage at Mar-a-Lago guarded by Secret Service.
Prosecutors say more than 100 additional classified documents were found 2 months later when the FBI searched his premises. The judge's order doesn't mean that Trump is guilty or that he will be charged, but it does mean that prosecutors have presented compelling preliminary evidence he may have committed a crime. Trump has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing in his handling of classified documents. Two of Trump's lawyers had claimed attorney-client privilege in refusing to testify in the case. But the federal judges ruled that the privilege can be pierced because there's enough evidence Trump misled them and broke the law. The judge ordered one of Trump's lawyers to hand over a number of records. Sources telling ABC News that includes handwritten notes, invoices, and transcripts of audio recordings, all related to what the judge called Trump's alleged criminal scheme. Trump has appealed the judge's order, and a 3-judge panel has stayed the order while the appeal is heard.
Trump responded to our reporting by attacking the judge, attacking the special counsel, and saying through a spokesman, quote, there is no factual or legal substance to any case against President Trump. They had to say that, Michael, because as you know, there are many cases at play now.
Yes, there are. We're going to talk about the other case, about the hush money payment. What do you know about the Manhattan grand jury that's set to reconvene today?
Well, we don't know if they're going to indict or when, but there is a lot of anticipation. It could come as early as today. And if it does, it's going to be a process. Donald Trump, we understand, will turn himself in, come to New York to turn himself in. There's been preliminary discussions with the Secret Service and the NYPD, and I am also told he will want to make a spectacle of this. So he will be booked, and then he will want to portray himself as a victim.